Callistemon are commonly known as bottlebrush, and they belong to the middle family. These incredible evergreen, attractive shrubs and trees are endemic to Australia but are widely cultivated in many parts of the world. Bottlebrushes can be grown outdoors year-round in USDA zones 9 to 11. In colder zones, they should be brought indoors for the winter. The bottlebrush is often sold as a shrub, but can grow as a tree with up to 25 feet in height. Many species can tolerate or even thrive in damp conditions, yet most are very hardy and will tolerate drought and limited maintenance. Callistemon are known for their vibrant spikes of flowers in shades of crimson, red, white or yellow, and they resemble a cylindrical brush, hence the name bottlebrush. The flowers can be spectacular and are irresistible to all sorts of pollinators, including hummingbirds, butterflies, bees, and wasps. The leaves are small and lance-shaped that comes in green, silvery green and blue-green colors. And in some species, they are covered with fine, soft hairs. Bottlebrushes make excellent garden plants. With many different species that range from dwarf shrubs to large trees, you won't have any trouble finding a bottlebrush that will fit in your garden. Some of the dwarf bottlebrushes are naturally dense and compact, making good informal hedges and borders. Others can be pruned into a small tree. Suckers on the trunk should be removed periodically if a tree form is desired. Those with pliant branches can be grown as informal espaliers. Bottlebrushes should be planted in a location that receives at least 6 to 8 hours of sun each day. They may tolerate part shade, but they won't bloom as much. Bottlebrush can tolerate most type of soils, except those which are highly alkaline. The soil should be well draining, so make sure to amend the soil with lots of compost before planting. Mulching will help retain soil moisture and reduce weed growth. Young shrubs should be watered each week by slowly and deeply saturating the soil until they are established. Established plants are quite drought tolerant, so water only when the soil feels dry several inches below the surface. Avoid overwatering to prevent root rot and diseases. Avoid fertilizing young plants during the first year. You can start feeding the plant with a well-balanced garden fertilizer during the second season of growth. Apply the fertilizer at the beginning of each season in spring, summer and fall. Prune bottlebrush in early spring or late summer. Remove any dead and damaged branches to improve light exposure and air circulation. Callistemon sawfly larvae invade and feed on the leaves. If the infestation is discovered early on, pruning the affected foliage should be enough to get rid of the pest. Larger infestations can be stopped by using insecticide or application of neem oil. Avoid overhead watering to prevent powdery mildew. Make sure the soil is not soggy to prevent fungal diseases. Bottlebrushes are deer-resistant. All parts of the plant are poisonous when ingested. Bottlebrushes can be propagated by means of seeds and cuttings. Cuttings can be taken during mid to late summer, and they should be at least 6 inches in length, and include a few leaves at the end of the cuttings. Dip the cut end into hormone powder and set in a rooting medium. Sow your bottlebrush seeds directly onto the surface of the soil during summer and water them immediately after. Bottlebrushes is a great option for gardeners as they are fairly easy to establish and even easier to maintain. Thank you for watching.